the same spot everybody keeps getting stuck at. This is the second time I caught somebody on video on the same spot.
We just keep on backing out. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Oh, now it's in the middle of the road. Why is it still going down that road?
And
Zoom back into Gary's spot.
duck. No, no, they might make it out.
Marcus, you should go help them.
It looks like they've. Oh. I'm gonna go out there and lay in the snow. I'm gonna go fall out in the snow.
This is crazy. You better do it now while I got the video on. The fresh part of the snow, right here in front of me though.
Go, Marcus, go! Go, Marcus, go!
Yeah, right there!